Good morning, students. So today in SST we will start our chapter number 5, Life in the Northern Plains. In the previous chapter we have studied about the Northern Plain, that what is Northern Plain, which are the river basins here, which type of soil found in Northern Plains, what is population density. So all these topics we have considered in the chapter the Northern Plains, and in this chapter we will study about life in the Northern Plains, that what is the lifestyle of the people living in the Northern Plains, their occupation, their dressing sense, their diet, tourist places, which are the tourist places in the states which lies in the Northern Plains. So these are the states that lies in the Northern Plains: Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Delhi. So these are the states and this is the national capital. This lies in the Northern Plains. So now we will discuss one by one about all the states which lies in the Northern Plains. So let's discuss about the first state, that is Punjab. Punjab lies in the Satluj Basin. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh and Punjab shares its capital with Haryana. Punjab and Haryana, the both states which have the same capital, that is Chandigarh. Now the rivers and soils. The rivers that flow through Punjab are Satluj, Ravi and Byas. Now the soil of this region is very fertile, like alluvial soil, black soil. These soils are very fertile for growing crops, and this area is also very fertile and people can easily irrigate their fields through the canals. Occupation. The occupation of the people living in Punjab is farming or agriculture. People in large quantity engaged in agriculture, or we can say that the large number of people are engaged in agriculture. Crops. That what kind of crops that are grown here? So the crops are wheat, gram, sugarcane, cotton. These are the different crops that are grown here. Now the industries, that what type of industries are here: textile industries, hosiery industries, sewing machine industries, cycles, sports. These are the industries that are here. Now the tourist places of Punjab. In Punjab there are many tourist places like the Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh, Sheesh Mahal, Lakshmi Narayan Mandir. So these are the famous places which attract the tourists. Now the dresses, that what kind of dresses people wear. People of Punjab wear colorful dresses. Women wear salwar kameez with dupatta and men wear lungi, kurta with pagri on their head. Now the diet. Now people of Punjab are very fond of loving. They take heavy diet, take milk products, and the main food items that they include in their diet, that is makke di roti, sarson da saag, lassi, curd. All are the famous items which are eaten by the people of Punjab. Now the dance and music. People of Punjab are also very fond of music and dancing. जैसे कि वो लोग खाने के शौकीन होते हैं, वैसे ही डांस और म्यूजिक के बहुत ज़्यादा शौकीन होते हैं. So Bhangra and Gidda, these are the two dance forms that are popular among the people of Punjab. Bhangra dance form that is enjoyed by the men, and Gidda is the popular dance form for women. Bhangra for men and Gidda for women. So these are the dances which are enjoyed by the people of Punjab. Now the next state that lies in the northern plain, that is Haryana. Now the occupation, crops, industry, grasses, all these things we will discuss in that state also. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh, as we have already discussed that these are the two states that have same capital, Chandigarh. Haryana also lies in the Satluj Basin. So this area is also drained by the river Satluj. The occupation of people of Haryana is agriculture or dairy farming. People rear domestic animals, and that is why the state is also also known as the breeds of cows and buffaloes. Now the crops, that what are the crops that grown here? Rice, pulses, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, oilseeds. These are the different crops that are grown in Haryana. Now the industries, that which are the industries that are famous or which are established here. So Faridabad is the important industrial town of the state, Haryana. Gurgaon is also very famous. Gurgaon is famous for the car industry and have the famous the Maruti Udyog Center. The other industries like information technology, after that textile, tires, cycles, these are also another industries which are located here. Now dresses, that what kind of dress people wear in Haryana. Men wear dhoti kurta or pajama kurta with a pagri on their head, and women wear ghagra and choli with dupatta. Now the tourist places. The tourist places in Haryana are Kurukshetra, Surajkund, Panipat, Karnal and Pinjore. These are the tourist places and also have the historical importance. Next state is Uttar Pradesh, that lies in northern plain. Now Uttar Pradesh lies in Ganga basin. River Ganga and Yamuna, these are the two important rivers that flow through Uttar Pradesh and which makes the region very fertile. After that the crops which are grown here are wheat, maize, rice, millet, cotton, sugarcane, barley, oilseeds. These are the crops that are grown in Uttar Pradesh. Now the industries are sugar, textile, edible oil, engineering and chemicals. So these are the different industries that are found here. Chikankari work of Uttar Pradesh is also very famous in our country. The chikankari work of Lucknow, chikankari on the clothes, that is very famous. Now the tourist places. In Uttar Pradesh there are so many tourist places like Agra, Mathura, Varanasi, Allahabad. These are the famous important centers or famous tourist centers. And the important places or the tourist attraction places which are located here: Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Fatehpur Sikri. So these are the historical places which attract the people from all around the world. Now the dresses. The people of Uttar Pradesh wear dress just like as the Haryana. The dressing sense is same as in Haryana. Like women wear sari and also women wear ghagra and choli, and men wear dhoti kurta and pagri, dhoti kurta or pajama kurta. So these are the important crops, important industries, important food items, important rivers of the states Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. Now we will discuss about the another state, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Delhi. The next state that lies in the northern plain, that is Bihar. Bihar lies in the eastern Ganga basin and the capital of Bihar is Patna. Now the main occupation of the people living in Bihar. So people of Bihar are also engaged in farming. Farming and cattle rearing is the main occupation of people living in Bihar. Now the crops, that what are the crops that are grown by the people of Bihar? So the crops are wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane and jute. These are the famous crops. Lychees are also very famous in Bihar. The lychees of Bihar are famous all over our country. Now the industries, that which are the industries? The famous industries in Bihar, that are Tushar silk industry, other industries that is cotton spinning, jute mill and sugar mill. These are the industries. Now the tourist places. are the tourist places that attract the people of India. So there are many tourist places in Bihar. So one of the famous is Bodh Gaya, that is in Bihar. That is very popular place of Buddhist Gautam Buddha that attain enlightenment. Enlightenment, the process of gaining knowledge, where Buddha gets knowledge, or where Lord Buddha get attainment or enlightenment of knowledge. So that is the important historical place. The another famous place is Nalanda. That is one of the learning center, the Nalanda University, the historical important ancient university. After that, the dresses, that what are the different dresses that are worn by the people. So the different dresses, that is sari and blouse for the women and dhoti kurta or pajama kurta for men. Now the next state is West Bengal. Now the West Bengal lies in plains of river Ganga, and Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Now the occupation. The occupation of people living in West Bengal is farming and fishing. Farming and fishing, these are the both occupations of people. Now the crops that are grown here. So the crops that are grown here are jute, wheat, potatoes, oil seeds. These are the crops. Now these are the popular industries: jute, textile, oil refining, automobile, shipbuilding. Just because the region have the harbors and ports, iron and steel industry. These are the famous industries. Now the tourist places, Fort William and Victoria Memorial are some of the monuments of West Bengal which attract the tourists. The Howrah Bridge, Dakshineshwar Temple, these are also attract the people from all around the world. Now the diet, that what diet is taken by the people of West Bengal. So rice and fish, that is the staple food of the people of West Bengal. People of West Bengal are very fond of sweets. They love to eat sweets. So the popular Bengali sweets are Rasagulla and Sandesh. These are the two popular sweet dishes which are famous all over our country. Now the dresses. The dresses generally wear in West Bengal, that is dhoti and kurta, while women wear saris, white saris with a huge orange or red border. The next state, that is Assam. The state lies in Brahmaputra basin. River Brahmaputra enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flow through Assam. That makes this area very fertile region. Now the crops that are grown here in Assam, that is jute, rice, sugarcane, potatoes, maize. These are the crops that are grown here. Tea gardens of Assam are very famous. Or Assam is also known as the land of tea gardens. Around 850 plantation is grown here. Plantation is done in Assam, and about 50% of India's tea is produced only from Assam. Now these are the industries: oil refineries, fertilizers, sugar mills, jute mills. These are the famous industries of Assam. Now the tourist places: Kamakya Temple and the wildlife sanctuary, Manas for the tigers, and Kaziranga, that is called one-horned rhinoceros. So these are the famous tourist places or wildlife sanctuaries. After that, the next is Delhi, or the last, that is the Delhi capital. Delhi is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh on one side and Haryana on three sides. Delhi is the capital of India and has a lot of historical importance. There are so many historical places like Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid. These are the famous historical places here. And the important landmarks like Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate, Parliament House. These are the important landmarks in Delhi. Yes, beta. So let's do the book exercise of chapter number 5, Life in the Northern Plains. So as I earlier told you that this book is different from your book, but the book exercise is almost the same. So the first one is dash is the popular dance form of Man of Punjab. So the right answer is Bhangra. Bhangra is the famous or popular dance form of Man of Punjab. Second, the National Dairy Research Institute is located in Haryana. The right answer is Haryana. Now the third one. Now here is the third one is different from your book. In your book that is given Fort William is in. So beta the right answer is West Bengal. That Fort William is in West Bengal. Next, dash is the capital of Assam. So the answer is Dispur. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Next, dash is the birthplace of the 10th Guru of the Sikhs, that is Patna. Patna is the birthplace of the 10th Guru of the Sikhs. Now let's do the true and false. Kanpur is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. So it is false because the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Second, the main occupation of the people of Assam is agriculture. Yes, that is true. People of Assam are engaged in agriculture. Their main occupation is agriculture. Next, Rasgulla is the famous sweet of West Bengal. Yes, it is true because Rasgulla and Sandesh, these are the famous sweets of West Bengal. One-horned rhinos are found in the state of Meghalaya. It is false because one-horned rhinos are found in the state of Assam in Kaziranga National Park. Bodh Gaya is an important Buddhist center is located in Bihar. It is true. Bodh Gaya, it is an Buddhist center that is located in Bihar. Now let's do match the columns. So in the match the columns, in column A, Pagri, Gidda, Karnal, Taj Mahal, Mekhla Chadar. Mekhla Chadar is a dress worn by women in Assam. And here is, and in column B, a dance form, a dress, a famous monument in Uttar Pradesh, important city of Haryana, and turban. So let's match this. So Pagri, we will match Pagri with turban. After that the second one is Gidda. So Gidda is a dance form that is popular in Punjab among women. Bhangra in men and Gidda is famous among women. Third is Karnal. Karnal is important city of Haryana. Fourth is Taj Mahal, a famous monument in Uttar Pradesh. And fifth is Mekhla Chadar, that is a dress worn by women in Assam, that is known as Mekhla Chadar. Men wear dhoti and shirt in Assam and women wear Mekhla Chadar.